University-ini ya Nairobi nikuo mutongoria wa bururi egwikinyitie kwambiriria muthingi wa gwakwo gwa thukuru wa guthomithanirio maundu megie kuiga thayo ona guthaitira maria maturigiceirie uria witanitio na mutigaire wa Ngari wa Maathai.
We remember for her love and service to her motherland, and more importantly for the care she showed for this country's natural resources and for the good that she did for her own fellow humankind.
Akiaria igongona-ini riu, President nioigite ati kinya riu ni ria kuhingia kiroto kiria kiari na Wangari wa Maathai mbere ya kwete gia kwambiriria thukuru tocio.
Before her death, Wangari had conceived the idea of establishing this institute and shared the idea with the university leadership and her friends across the world.
Nioigite ati kio giake gibatie gukorwo kiri kionereria kuri a Kenya hari gwika maundu ma ukuria wa bururi niguo kwagirithia miturire ona ya njiarwa ciukite.
She feared that our children might never know the pleasure of sitting in the shade of an old tree, and she recognized the importance of protecting our environment for sustainable development.
Thukuru ucio uria kuhuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.4 gwakwo ruhonge-ini rwa University ya Nairobi mwena wa Kabete ya muhuro ni uguteithiriria hari guteithura ngucanio gatagati wa nduriri iria itakoretwo ikiguithania. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiku.